Hazaribagh, you don't aware about the Hazaribagh. Actually, you have to cover about the, this is the headquarter of उत्तरी छोटा नागपुर, उससे शुरुआत करना था आपने। हजारीबाग तो वर्ड को कॉइन फ्रेम किया अच्छा। ओके, हजारीबाग में क्या क्या चीजें हैं, कितने क्या क्या टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स हैं, क्या क्या एजुकेशनल हब्स हैं। हजारीबाग इज फेमस फॉर वाई, ठीक है। आपने तुरंत रिलीजियसली चले गए, रिलीजियसली जल्दी नहीं जाना है, ठीक है। आपने हजारीबाग का कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज के बारे में बोल सकते थे, 12 यहाँ पर एमपी सीट्स हैं, एमएलए सीट्स हैं, जो भी है, ये पॉलिटिकली थोड़ा बहुत बोल सकते थे। लेकिन यहाँ का ब्यूटिफिकेशंस, यहाँ पर हजारीबाग नेशनल पार्क है। हजारीबाग नेशनल पार्क इज एवरीबडी इज नोइंग बिकॉज इट इज इन द टेक्स्ट बुक। तो हजारीबाग नेशनल पार्क मेंशन करना था। जयप्रकाश नारायण सेंट्रल जेल के बारे में मेंशन करना था। जो भी बड़े बड़े चीज है, अचीवमेंट्स है जो हजारीबाग का, ये कितने भागों में टूटे हजारीबाग, कितने जिले बन गए बीच से, वो सब बारे में बताना था। ये सेंटर है, कोर ऑफ द झारखंड है। माइनिंग्स के बारे में बोलना था, जो भी रिसोर्सेज है हजारीबाग के अंदर, व्हाट आर द रिसोर्सेज व्हिच इज अवेलेबल इन द हजारीबाग। ओके, द रेलवे कनेक्टिविटीज के बारे में बोलना था, रोड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के बारे में बोलना था, ठीक है। बहुत कुछ है बोलने के लिए हजारीबाग के बारे में, बट यू डिडंट मेंशन अबाउट दैट, ठीक है। बात कर रहा हूँ, व्हाइल आई वाज आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, ओके, इन बिटवीन यू interrupt, okay, so it is not good, okay, while I am asking or anybody is asking, just to be patient, to listen first and then you respond. The person who has so many friends circle, okay, does not have the sinus nature. It is original things, okay, originalities, okay. If you have such kind of friend circle, so again you are going to be trapped in telling lies, okay. You said the statement that I have no weaknesses, okay, and another one of my colleague asked, then you switch on that, okay, every person has a weakness, so I have such kind of weakness. So once you differ or you already contradict your answer, once you said that I have no weaknesses, later on you said that I have weaknesses, okay. And in between while you entered here, okay, that time you shifted your chair, okay, so it is not good. Where it is placed over there, just you keep and sit, okay. Do not, there is no need to shifting the chairs, okay. And you said that your long term aim is that politician or chief of air staff, you know that, can you imagine that how big you are saying that, chief of air staff and the politician along with, okay. If you have the interest to be a politician, so there is no need for the defense forces like a politician, because politician has a different role and the officer has or the soldiers have a different role for that organization. So this is totally against of the professionally we can say that it is totally against. So there is no need to say that politician. If you want to politicians, you try to career or you try to make a career in the politics. There is no need in this organization. That the single son, without asking the question, you have started or repeatedly say that, sir, our societies does not allow the single son into the armed forces. Means, what do you think about the armed forces? Armed forces, whoever is coming, they are coming to die only.
Yes, sir.
So you said this thing, okay. And you said that one thing, that Rafale is we procured from the France, not from the Russia. You said that Russia. And okay, Dassault Rafale, you said Dassault or something, you said that, okay. You said again that I asked regarding the recently crashed chopper aircraft, that is the Tejas, not a MiG-29, okay. The latest, the project which is going on for our 5th generation aircraft, that is called AMCA, AMCA, okay, AMCA, okay. It will be the indigenously aircraft for our countries, like 5th generation fighter, as a 5th generation fighter. She asked about your hobbies, okay, about reading books and novels, you said that, okay. So you start telling the stories of that novel or book. She has asked what was that outcome and how you are going to benefit. I think that same negative and positive aspects of that novel or the. So you said in a 2 or 1 sentences you can say that, okay, but you started to telling or narrating the stories. So there is no need to narrate the story. Understood?
Yes, sir.